Hi everyone, this is Mr. Sheik. I'm your child's fourth grade math and science teacher this year. The purpose of this video is to give you some ideas on how you and your child can practice some of the math related topics that we're covering in class this year with just a deck of cards. Our school has purchased your child a deck of cards that they can use for these math games and that they can keep at home with them. The first game is Place Value Number Battle. There needs to be 2 players. For this game, you need a deck of cards with the face cards and tens removed, and the aces are worth 1. The skills that are being practiced are number recognition, place value, and ordering and sequencing numbers. Here's how to play. Players split the deck of cards and simultaneously flip over their top 3 cards to create a 3-digit number. Players may move the cards and place them in any position of the number that they wish. So player 1 has the numbers 4, 3, and an ace. Your child needs to be able to identify that the number is 431. They need to be able to break apart each number by place value. So it has 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 1 ones. They need to be able to break apart this number in expanded form, 400 plus 30 plus 1. And they also need to be able to write it out correctly in word form, 431. Player 2 has an 8, 7, and a 4. So that has 8 hundreds, 7 tens, and 4 ones. An expanded form that is 800 plus 70 plus 4. And again, your child needs to be able to spell out this number using word form. A way that you could differentiate this game is you can increase the number of cards because your child should be able to know their numbers through the 100,000s place value. Addition number battle. Again, there needs to be 2 players for this game. With your deck of cards, the ace are worth 11, jack is worth 12, queen is worth 13, and a king is worth 14. The skills that are being practiced in this game are number recognition and addition. Here's how to play. Players will split a deck of cards and simultaneously flip over their top 3 or 4 cards. So player 1 has a 3, 8, and a king. So when you add all 3 of those numbers up, player 1 has a sum of 25. Player 2 has a 4, 10, and a queen. So when you add all those values up, player 2 has a sum of 27. So the person with the highest sum wins all 6 or 8 cards, depending on how many cards you're using for this game. Subtraction number battle. With 2 players, you need your deck of cards with the face cards and tens removed. In this game, the ace is worth 1. The skills that are being practiced are number recognition, place value, and subtraction. Here's how to play. Players split up a deck of cards and simultaneously flip over their top 3 cards. Make 2 of them into a 2-digit number and subtract the third. Players may move the cards and place them in any of the positions of the numbers that they wish. So player 1 has 98, subtract 3, which gives player 1 a difference of 95. Player 2 has 76, subtract 4, which gives player 2 a difference of 72. Since player 1 has the greatest difference, player 1 gets to keep all 6 of the cards. Something I highly recommend is that you increase the number of cards to flip over if you're working on large numbers, which we are in 4th grade. Multiplication number battle. With 2 players and your deck of cards, the face cards are worth 10, and the ace is worth either 1 or 11. I might recommend that aces be worth 11. The skills that are being practiced in this game are number recognition and multiplication, and here's how to play. Players will split a deck of cards and simultaneously flip over their top 2 cards. So player 1 has a 3 and a queen. So since face cards are worth 10, we know the product of 3 and 10 is 30. Player 2 has a 10 and an 8, so the product of 10 and 8 is 80. So since player 2 has the highest product, they will be able to keep all 4 of the cards. I will be posting a document with all of these games and more that you and your child can work on to practice the math skills that we're covering this year. Again, if you have any questions regarding your child's academics, please contact me at the school. The number is 336 551 1148. You can shoot me an email at justin.sheik@yadkin.k12.nc.us or send me a message on ClassDojo. Thank you for watching.